What's up, guys? It's Lee here, the bartending, photo booth, and rental guy. Today we're going to do a review on the Pandora gaming joystick. Stands up there. Let's get into it. So as you may know, if you've seen my videos, I'm own a rental company, and I've recently decided to add some video games to it to entertain kids' parties a little bit more. So on top of the racing chairs, Pac-Man game. Oh, it's good though. You can rent this bad boy for 50 bucks. I've decided to add a gaming joystick engine to my offerings. So this thing is awesome. Not only is it a joystick that can plug into any system and any TV or computer screen, but it also has some programming inside that lets you access all the retro games. Plus, it hooks up to Wi-Fi, and you can download any game ever. So you get so many titles. There's about 10,000 games programmed onto this right now, and I've been working my way through the list to see if it's worth it. I saw good reviews online, and I want to give another good review. There is a few downs, but let's go. I'll tell you all about this bad boy. Bloop!
It came! It finally came! The big one.
Alright, let's go through setup. It looks to be thick plywood, probably about 5/8. It's heavy. The joysticks seem in good condition. Everything just seems very quality made. So it's got the HDMI ports. The middle piece seems pretty solid. It's got the coin receiver. I think it's made out of plastic. Feels like plastic. The back, there's like a high quality lock. And it comes with a good key. VGA cord, 100 coins, back up joystick buttons, 2 of them. Here are the screws, and this is the key here. So the key opens up the back of the unit here where the coins fall. Power adapter, USB cable. Just to let you know, setup was pretty much a breeze, other than some of the holes didn't line up and I had to add my own screws. Okay, so the screw holes don't line up. I'll have to put my own screws in. But the one in the middles do, at least on each one. I'll add my own in later. And it just shuts. Now we can plug it in and power it up. Okay, so it comes with 100 coins. They look like this. They're like quarters.
888.
They say 888 on them.
And we're gonna try one.
Kate, put one in.
More true.
Oh, credits 1. Did you stick a coin in there?
Yep.
Awesome.
No. Hey, jump is the B button.
All right, so we went to search. You're gonna search out Mario?
Yep.
Perfect. Look at all those different Mario games. Remember that game from Wreck-It Ralph? The game at the bar? It's called Tapper.
There's gotta be.
Tapper, need a root beer.
Coming. Hold that thought. Okay, as you were saying, I was.
So go to search. It is, yeah. They got almost everything. That's cool,
It's
hey?
a real game.
Yeah, remember that one that Ralph goes to have a drink?
Yeah.
There's the guy from Wreck-It Ralph. Oh, you have to insert a coin to play, so
Here, I will. I love inserting.
grab a coin right there.
You can't like leave the game.
Yeah, so on coin mode, you can't really leave the games. So you can kind of do a pay-per-play system, right? Let's go to 2-player. And then you can time the games, 1 coin for 10 minutes. So the coin machine really goes hard. Pac-Man world. So say you want to go 3-player, but there's only 2 joypads. There's a USB in the back that you can plug a 3rd and 4th controller into so you can play 4 players. Or you can plug joysticks into one another so that you can use, say, 2 of these to do 4 players at once. So you're navigating the menu with that controller?
Yeah, and it does actually.
Let's go to 3-player. So say you can't find a game, this thing hooks up to Wi-Fi. So all you have to do is log on to their server through the joystick, and then it will download the game. So you could technically rent this thing out to people empty, and then they can just find whatever games they want. And then I think that you can get around the licensing issue for renting. If you guys are wondering how video game renting is going, it's going slow so far. I've been renting out lots of like the Mario Kart wheels, but as for the arcade machines, it's going slow. I haven't been doing the proper advertising. I did make these adverts lately. But this is the same as it was when I first started my rental company. When I first started up, I wanted people to go shopping on my website for all these cool things, but I wasn't offering enough. I was just offering like pop-up tents, tables, and chairs. And then once I added pretty much everything to my website, then people really started shopping. So don't be deterred if people aren't renting it because you have one. You know, get one, then another, then another. If people will eventually rent it. If this content's your jam, I encourage you to subscribe to see more of this stuff. We'll catch you on the next one. And as always, you stay classy.